Dang it. Dan, hold on. Justin, stop the music for a second. That's the old Soviet. That's the motherland thing. That's old news. I mean, this is cutting edge. This is America. What do? We sit around on our hands? We use something that's 20, 30 years old? No. We're America. We're the place you can dream and it'll become. We're the country that says, let's not live in the past. Let's live in the future. And what's coming our way, huh? Hope and change. That's what's coming. Hope and change. So we've reworked the lyrics of the Soviet national anthem. And it goes to something a little like this.
All hail the Messiah, Obama, faster than you, socialist motherland. Our Savior, Obama, the leader more famous than Lindsay Lohan. Bow down and praise the one. Give him your money and your guns. Give us a country that makes your way proud. Lord, bury the bitter ones. Wife and clinging to faith and to guns. Calls for the change of the hope of the
Hey, just. Oh, I love that. By the